All right, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live training session for today. If this is your first time of joining the live training session, you're welcome. So on this session, what we do here is I analyze the markets and give out uh, free trading signals. All right. So to be able to participate on the signal I'll be sharing, you have to fund your account, right? You must have a real money in your account, guys. This is not a trading. This is not a demo trading session. So demo trading is for you to practice. When you want to learn how to analyze the market or you want to know how to place trades. But here, what we do is um, we take live orders, right? So, for you to be able to participate, as I've said earlier, make sure to fund your account. And if you fund your account on my live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. Okay, so I have a premium group where I give signals, market reports, and market analysis. All right. So to join the premium group, you have to deposit on this live stream. Now, to deposit, click on that banner where deposit with benefits is written up. Now, if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session. All right. So, guys, let's dive into the forex market and see what's going on in the market today. All right, so this is Euro GBP. We took this trade yesterday, and as you can see, the market has been moving in our direction ever since. Right, so the market has been moving to our direction since after placing the trade. Right, so if you are in my premium group and you are in this trade, please make sure to close position. Right. All right, so guys, give me a few minutes. All right. So, okay, so let's analyze gold market for today. Let's start with the gold. So yesterday, gold deceived a lot of people, making them believe that it was going to buy. But you see what happened here. When the market got to this point, after taking liquidity here, the market just, um, made a U-turn and then started selling to the downside. All right, so let's make a fresh analysis to see if the market is heading anywhere uh, close to a direction that we can predict from. Okay. All right. So this is XAUUSD 1 hour time frame. XAUUSD 1 hour time frame. All right. So as you can see right now, the market is obviously on a downtrend. All right. So this is the 1 hour time frame, the 2 hour time frame rather. So on the 2 hour time frame, this is where the movement started from. Okay, you see, it started from this zone where the market started from this zone. You see, the market reversed from here after making this touch, came back for the second time also, made another touch. And since after then, the market has been moving bearish. All right. So, All right. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let's continue. So as you can see, the market made a move from this area where we have a fair value gap, right? You see, so you see how the market came back into the wide gap and then reversed immediately. All right. So the market reversed from this level where we have a fair value gap and then made a very, another small move. Okay, made another small move into the other block. So this other block was created after the market went into the fair value gap. All right. So the market came in here and then made this heavy bearish move to the downside. So now, I think the next thing that happened here was the market coming back into this zone, right? So for this, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. I don't see any. I don't see any other block there. All right. Okay, so I have one here actually. Okay. All right. So you see how the market made a U-turn from this level. Okay. You can see how the market made a U-turn from this level and started pouring down. All right. So the market actually came into the 50% of this fair value gap. You see. So this is what I was trying to say to explain earlier. The market doesn't just make a move. So there's always, a force pushing the market to the direction that the market is heading. And the force that pushed the market here is this fair value gap that we've got here. You see, all of that fair value gap after this level has been mitigated. We have a fair value gap here, and then the market came back all the way here to close this gap. This market also came here to close the gap here. And then we have another open gap here, and this is the gap that the market came all the way up to respect. Okay. So not just this gap, the market came to respect this gap, and then also we also have the trend line, and as you can see, the trend line um, was also respected. All right. Okay, so now let's say we want to place a sell trade here because I'm quite sure that the market is going to continue to go up for a while. All right, it's going to go down for a while because this is the 1 hour time frame. So it's going to take some time for the market to continue bullish. That is, if the market is going to go bullish. Uh, so we have a liquidity purge here. Okay. So this is a trend that is already running, and it won't be wise to jump into such trend. I mean, the market has left the area where we could have, jump on the trend, and open the sell position, right? So right now that the market is here, we don't get a chance, right? We don't get a chance because if we are to open a sell here, you see this is where our stop loss is definitely going to be. And trust me, you don't want to place a trade on XAUUSD with this kind of huge stop loss. All right. So what our advice we do instead is we have the internal structures here. We have internal structures, right? So we have the internal structures, and looking at the internal structures, we can see we've got a liquidity pool. We've got a liquidity pool here. Then the market went above this level to create a change of character. Okay, right. So the market went above the level to create a change of character. So now, after the change of character was created, now we are looking for levels where the market can reverse from, and we've got this. Okay, and as you can see, this also aligned well with our other block. You see, so we have another block there, and if I were to set a pending order for this trade, this is where I was going to set my pending order. This is my entry price point. Okay, and the entry price point here is the 50% of the fair value gap. You see, guys, this is not a coincidence. Okay, this is pure analysis. All right. So now, you see, if you make your analysis this way, your chances of profiting from this trade is kind of high. Okay, so you see, this is our entry price point. This is our stop loss, and the stop loss is just a bit below the recent low. Okay, so my take profit is 2 to 1. All right, 2 to 1, which means if I'm risking $1, my profit, the profit I'm going to make is $2. All right, and my take profit is just between the fair value gap here and the other block, but I'm pretty sure the market is going to go above this level. Okay, all right, so we have analysis on XAU USD. All right, all right, so uh, let's make analysis from another instrument. All right, so which other one do we have here? All right, so we have the BTC USDT. So yesterday I had made an analysis on the crypto, posted the signal to the BtcDana general group, and if you took the trade, if you were opportune to take the trade, to take the trade, you must have made a massive amount of profit. Okay, because the market, the trade hit TP1, hit TP2, right, and still went down a bit further. Okay, so this is the analysis I made here yesterday. Remember yesterday when I was saying that the market was going to use this area as an inducement level. It's going to go into the fair value gap we have here, and then sell to the downside. And that was exactly what happened yesterday. Okay, that was exactly what happened. So the market made a move to this level, uh, you know, bought straight into the 50% fair value gap, and then sold immediately from that level. Okay, so now let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's go to okay, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. I want to see if We can make a fresh analysis here. Okay. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we have something that looks like a liquidity purge. Okay. Yeah. So right now it looks like a liquidity purge. There are confirmations to this too. Uh, you can just label any part of the candle formation a liquidity purge. Okay. So there are certain things that you need to look out for, and one of them is if this is a liquidity purge, did the market made a new low, or did the market made a new high? And in this case, the market broke below the level where we had a previous low, right? See, the market broke below this level from this price point. Character. So after the change of character here, what else are we looking out for? So we have this level. Okay, so this is the level where I think the market uh, would make, and this is where we have our fair value gap. So now I'm just going to uh, 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 place or wait for the value gap, take my entry from there as my first take profit level. So Okay. So sorry about that, guys. Now let's analyze Ethereum USDT. Let's analyze Ethereum USDT. So for me, I think the market is going to come back to this level because here, as you can see, the market had just finished retesting the level from here. Okay, so we have this inverse order block, and the market had made retest from the inverse order block. All right, so that's what's pulling this market bullish. So we have after reversing from this order block, you see the market actually uh, made another liquidity purge. Okay, so before this, the market had shown signs, of reversing from this point. Okay, so what was created here is what is known as trap zones. Right, so this is where traders are trapped. Okay, this is where traders are trapped. All right, so after getting this and getting this, uh, most retail traders will believe that the market will start going up. All right, and all their bet will be that the market will go up. So now if they are buying from this level, their stop loss is just going to be a bit below this low. Okay, so their stop loss will be somewhere around this level. And what happened after? You see, the market came down, took out their stop loss, took out their stop losses, and then started making bullish moves. Right. So you see, this is why patience is much required in forex trading. Right. So if you are the type of person that you don't uh, pay attention to things, or you don't have the patience to wait for proper confirmations before taking trades, honestly, uh, trading can ruin your day. All right, so please make sure to pay attention to even the slightest details. It's very important. All right, so here we've got a change of character. So I think the market is going to come back to this level where we have this wild fair value gap or this tiny order block. Okay. All right, let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to higher time frame. Right. So on the higher time frame, we have this new level. I don't think the level. I don't think the level will matter that much. So this is where I believe the market is coming. Okay, this is where I think the market would come down to and make a U-turn. Right. So I'm expecting the market to buy from this level to this point. Okay, this point of interest. So here we have a fair value gap. We have another fair value gap above, but the fair value gap here is smaller. Okay, it's very small. but it doesn't matter. Okay, a fair value gap is a fair value gap, no matter the size. So we have a fair value gap here, and uh, uh, so there are two scenarios that can, one of two scenarios will definitely play out here. So it either the market come to the fair value gap, okay. So when it gets to the fair value gap, it will start to sell to the downside, or the market, will get to the other block level, retest the other block before selling, right? But whichever one happens first, selling from this level, I'm telling you, is 80% guaranteed. Okay, so selling from that level is 80% guaranteed. Yes. So we have two entries with the same stop loss and the same take profit, right? Okay, but we're not going to place a sell limit order here. And the reason why we're not going to do that is this is Ethereum, right? And we all know the crypto instruments are very volatile. So these are the type of instruments you want to keep your eyes on when you place your trade. Okay, you want to keep your eyes on your position, your open position, when you finally place an order, right? So I think it will be better to just allow the trade to get to our point of interest, right? And then we can then look out for rejections or candle formations before opening a position, right? All right, so that is the analysis for Ethereum USDT. So this is an entry. This is another entry right here. We just need the market to move into, okay, so on the 30 minutes time frame, I think we have a fair value gap, a valid fair value gap here. Okay, so we have a fair value gap here. Okay, All right, so we have analysis on Ethereum USDT. Okay, so let's quickly analyze um, Nasdaq here. All right, so this is my analysis on. All right. So guys, okay. So this is the analysis for NAS 100, and NAS 100 is also a very volatile pair. So I will not be sharing this signal out. Okay. Well, guys, make sure to pay attention to the general group because anytime from now, I will be sharing free signals to the group. Okay. So, guys, that'll be all for today. Uh, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.